Here at Redneck Ridge, where you never know what kind of craziness is going on, we are starting our life as a homestead. That's right. So come and join us, watch our videos, and see what kind of craziness goes on today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we give out a notification or a new video. So have fun, enjoy the video. Fine, we got babies at work. Yep. New step. Now we gotta get a brooder ready. I guess I'm gonna have to remove the driftwood. Oh, we can use the 5-gallon tank now. Oh, we got a 10-gallon there too. Because they don't need a big tank right now. Well, I cleaned that off. Put the 10-gallon tank down there and we can get a light for it. Put a light down on it. Even if it's the 10-gallon tank fish light right there. Put it on the other one. There's gotta be something.
Get him, Shyboy, get him. Get him, Shyboy. He's like, I want to check out the food. He's like, let me at the food.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
He's like, yes, I do. He's like, I'll give you kisses. And now bite your beard. He's like, give me that beard.
Don't like the beard?
He's like, I'll get that beard. Give me that beard. Oh, no, he's going to have to collar your shirt. He's stuck it on your shirt. He's like, I got the collar. He's like, I'll choke you. He doesn't like the beard on his tongue.
Is that what it was?
Yeah, I kept trying to kiss it and it felt too weird on him. He's like, I'll bite your zipper. He's teething. He's teething as well as wanting to play. Get him, Shyboy, get him. Get him, Shyboy. You gotta bite them fingers. It's like, I bite your fingers. It's like right there. Imagine when your teeth when you get bigger and your teeth are more sharper. Those are gonna draw some blood.
We could do it now if we wanted to.
Right.
Sharp ass little puppy teeth.
Yeah, right now he's teething though. Oh, that was cute. That's so cute. That is so cute. Look how he sticks that paw up. He's like, I bite your beard.
Get the ear. Get the ear. The butt fuzz. Get the butt fuzz. The tail. Oh, I got the tail.
He's like, what the heck? It's like, earthquake.
Trust me, you're not getting over there, dude. You don't need what's on the table. Just because you kiss me doesn't make it so.
He's like, what if I look over there?
Persistent, eh? Persistent, eh?
He's like, I go investigate. He's like, whoa. He's like, I don't know about that sound. He's like, I'll go this way. Yeah, there's water there. It's like, what's all over here that I can get into? Not the Play-Doh, buddy. Not the Play-Doh, Shyboy. No, not the Play-Doh. Play-Doh's a no-go. He's definitely got the German Shepherd tail. Where you going, Shyboy? Shyboy. Shyboy. Hey. Hey, Shyboy. Hi, Petri. Are you swinging? Huh, Petri? Are you swinging? Yeah, you like to swing? Huh, Petri? I'm recording it. She's like, scared out, Mom, scared out. I want the mouse.
Where's it at? Where's it at?
She's like, I want it, Mom.
Get it.
She's like, I'm gonna dig for it.
Don't mess up my hips like you're doing that.
Never seen her go after a snake.
Huh?
I never seen her go after a snake. But she could be pulling like raccoon or something on it too.
Awesome.
Because who knows what's walked across them, under them.
Excuse me.
She's like, I'm gonna try. She's like, I'm gonna dig. You gonna dig a tunnel?
What?
She's like, Mom.
I'm moving them all.
She's like, come and move them.
Like, help me, Mom. Mom said no.
I talked to Greg. Maybe he'll do it.
He's down at the barn.
I know he is. Yep. Dig, Angel, dig, 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 dig. Angel.
Did you get it?
She's like, what are you guys doing? She's like, wait, what are you guys doing?
No, Mom ain't leaving.